everybody, and welcome to Soul Online. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll take a look inside of Orange on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slipcover off, do a little more of the same. And you open it up, and you get this one of the Blu-rays with episode 1 through 9. And you get this 2 with episodes 10 through 13, plus extras. Then you get the DVDs with episodes 1 through 7, and this 2 with 8 through 13. There's the back. And a little more on this side. So this has been Orange on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.